All right, here's a video if anyone cares. We got a tailgate off a Ford, I think it's Ford 1-ton, and this whole strip here was just rotted right out, and I've cut it out as you can see. Yeah, you can just see it's just rusted through. There's a hole down there, just more holes in it than a brick of Swiss cheese. That's just, yeah, just fucked. So I got that thing cut off, and now in there we're gonna weld a piece of 3x3 square quarter wall, and then I got a pin, a 1-inch pin to weld on here that sticks out, so then I can hook onto the flat rack of the truck. Okay, we got this piece of 3x3 quarter wall is starting to get tacked in here, and then that's more fucking rustic cut out. I'm gonna ratchet strap on there to pull it in tight this side. Well, I probably could take that clamp off. Well, the ground clamp's hooked on, fuck that. But yeah, here I'm stick welding it with 3/32, and even 1/16 rod, and you're burning through it. Fuck, that's thin. So I think I gotta get the MIG, grind all the scale off this shit, and then do a little techie in there, space them out so it doesn't burn through, make a pretty mint.